Have you ever wondered if your children would get organized? I have for you a one-page chart that shows you what you can teach them birth through high school. 7 stages of what you should be teaching them so that they can grow up to be independent adults and not boomerang and move home. And that way they will be your friend too. So in this organizing chart, it shows you exactly what you need to teach each step of the way. So like in toddler stage, they're learning how to make choices of 2 outfits that you let them choose from. So when they're older, they can choose what school to go to, what occupation to do. And then you want to do other things like in grade school, you teach them how to clean their room, how to make some meals. And then in junior high and high school, they're actually making meals, learning how to iron, learning how to do their banking so that they can become independent, and you will be so proud of that. So, to raise your children, it takes more than just reading their favorite book. One of my favorite is The Tooth Fairy and the Hall of Perfect Teeth. It takes more than just getting them in the right sports, which one is the best one. It also takes them teaching them how to have skill set to be independent. You see, when we have grade school and toddler children, they have to have you ahead of them. You can't be pushing them. You want to be ahead of them. So, for instance, preschool and kindergarten, you need to be 5 minutes ahead of them and say, time to go. And they're like, oh, I'm not ready. I have to hurry. And then in grade school, you want to be an hour ahead of them, reminding them to get their backpack and things ready. And then in high school, you need to be a day ahead of them because they will want to borrow the car, but you will say, oh, it's Friday. You can have it just as soon as you clean up your room and put the laundry away. You might get, oh, mom, but it doesn't matter. You're teaching them skills to manage for a lifetime. You see, I teach adults how to be organized, and I often ask, did your mother have you make your bed? And they're like, no, as a matter of fact. I said, that's why you're having trouble doing finances because it's a maintenance issue. And at that point, we will look at how they manage their time. They were late, they were always late. And so we're building new habits into adults that they probably should have learned as they were kids. So if you are a busy parent and you're saying, when will my child be organized? Well, let me tell you, some weeks it'll be great. And by Friday, you'll feel like, we have the perfect family. And then on Monday, everything falls apart. So know that you can start any day of the week, but every Monday, you have to start the habits all over. And they forget over the weekend. So on Sunday night, be lining up the room on the backpacks, getting everything ready for school. And you know what? I was a teacher, and I found that as kids came from an organized bedroom, an organized home, they did better in school. And that's what you want, is for your child to do well, not only in school, but in life. So hang in there, parent. We want you to organize your children, get this chart at what you should be teaching them. And you know what? You can put it on the refrigerator, and then the kids will look at it every time they open it for a snack and go, huh, I guess it's not just mom. Other people think that's what I should know. So go ahead and look for that chart, download at organizingpro.com, and I will see you there. And if you want one more step about all of those, get my booklet, Ages and Stages of Getting Children Organized. Inside, we actually have that chart for you. You order it from Organizing Pro, we'll send it as a one page to you as well. So see you soon. Keep parenting and be consistent, and your child will gradually become consistent, and you will reap the rewards that they're your friend and an independent adult. Go over to Organizing Pro and get the resource. We'll see you there. Bye for now.